Minasan konnichiwa. Hello everyone. Today we will learn the 8th hiragana row ya, you, yo. There is no e and a hiragana sounds in Japanese. Now let's see the first hiragana ya. Ya. Example word yama. Yama means mountain. Example sentence Yama ga takai desu. Yama ga takai desu meaning the mountain is tall. Yama ga takai desu. The next hiragana is you. You. Example word yuki. Yuki means snow. Example sentence Yuki de asobimasu. Yuki de asobimasu meaning I play in the snow. Yuki de asobimasu. Next one yo. Yo. Example word yoru. Yoru means night. Example sentence Yoru ni wa hoshi ga miemasu. Yoru ni wa hoshi ga miemasu meaning stars are visible at night. Yoru ni wa hoshi ga miemasu. That's all for today's lesson. In the next video, we will learn the 9th hiragana row ra, ri, ru, re, ro. Thank you for watching. If you found this useful, like and subscribe and click the bell icon. See you in the next video. Matane.